Don't be confused about what kind of heating equipment to install. Now, you can get a high subsidy for installing a heat pump to encourage homeowners to install low-carbon heating systems, such as heat pumps. Currently, the government is running a boiler upgrade scheme. Under this scheme, homeowners installing low-carbon heating systems can receive a significant grant to help them meet the upfront costs of upgrading their low-carbon heating system. Valid from 2022 to 2025, the scheme applies to both residential and small non-residential properties in England and Wales. Under this scheme, you can get £5,000 off the cost and installation of an air source heat pump, £5,000 off that for a biomass boiler, and £6,000 off that for a ground source heat pump. You can get a grant for each of your property for cost and installation of the appliances. You can also apply for this grant, even if you are applying for other grants or have already received funding for other energy efficiency upgrades, such as insulation, doors, or windows. Spring Sun, a professional heat pump manufacturer since 1999. You are welcome to subscribe our channel.